Good morning, everyone. Today is day 2 of exploring Berlin, and we're gonna start off with burgers at the Burgermeister.
So Burgermeister is a burger joint, and it is inside of an old public toilet. It's supposed to have some of the best burgers in Berlin, so let's go check it out.
Right, I must confess at the start of this vlog, yesterday's vices have got into me and I am feeling a little bit hungover. In order to counteract that, I have decided to do hair of the dog. Start drinking in the morning. Hopefully that should provide some short-term solution. I think tomorrow it will be even worse. But for now I'm good. This location of Burgermeister is very cool. Aside from it being an old toilet, we are actually underneath the train tracks, and every now and then you can hear the train roll over. Pretty unique place. I'm excited for the burgers. They smell absolutely delicious. Got our burgers. Excited.
Look at this burger. Never would have thought that I'd be eating a burger from an old public toilet in Berlin, but here we are.
Hit on hard times.
Oh. Yeah, that's a good burger.
Alright, burger, beer, can't get any better. Just need this hangover to finish. Just finishing up with lunch. That was a good start to the day. I feel energized.
Our next stop is going to be to check out the Berlin Wall. We're just at the start of the East Side Gallery. We're just gonna make our way all the way down, check out all of the open-air murals on the Berlin Wall. The Berlin Wall symbolized the division of East and West Germany. In 1989, the Berlin Wall fell. Today, the East Side Gallery commemorates the fall of the Berlin Wall. It's free to visit and includes 105 paintings.
Just walking along the East Side Gallery, some of these murals are very, very cool. There's all sorts. Some just have messages, others have pictures. Pretty awesome. So we've just finished with the East Side Gallery and the murals were amazing. It's pretty cool to see how they've transformed a symbol of oppression into something that's quite arty and nice to look at.
Yeah, I think my favorite one is the squiggly line. I don't know how to describe it, but this one. I think I see it. So we're gonna go do a Teledisco. It's a telephone booth where you can do karaoke. I mean, you can't pass that opportunity up.
Song only?
It's €2 for a song.
Okay, now we have to find out a song. What song are we doing, huh?
Hit the hit list. Yeah, touch here for hit list. Oh. I'm an expert at Ace of Base. Britney Spears. Any of them jumping out at you? You want to do Wonderwall? You love Wonderwall.
I mean, do you?
Yeah, I like Wonderwall. Let's do it. Okay, so we've selected Wonderwall. You may open the door and dance like there's no tomorrow. This is so cool. Never done a Teledisco before. Hey, Chloe. She said, what is happening? She said, what are we in, guys? Leaving the Teledisco. Here comes. It's like smoky. You see the fog coming out? That was so cool.
Not gonna lie, I had no idea what to expect, but that was pretty cool. It's a little bit claustrophobic, especially when the smoke machine starts pouring in fog, but it's a really good time. Really good time.
We sang Allie's favorite, Wonderwall.
Allie and Chloe's favorite.
Yeah. Chloe had no idea what was happening.
She was confused.
She was just trying to look. She was putting her nose through the bottom right there, trying to sniff out. That was really cool.
That was very good. I like that.
The Teledisco locations are all over Berlin. So we just looked on a map and this was the closest one, but they also had a gold one, a blue one. So there's quite a few if you're interested in doing some karaoke to one of your favorite songs. It was a really good time.
Midday boogie.
Yeah, why not? Okay, the next stop on our itinerary is going to a memorial that is for the 20,000 books that were burned by the Nazis. So on May 10th, 1933, about 20,000 books were burned by the Nazis, and this is the memorial right here. So if you look down, you can see the empty bookshelves to represent the books that were burned.
Yeah, it's mad. Back in the day, they burnt 20,000 books, and now the same square has been turned into a university.
The next stop is Museum Island. It has tons and tons of museums, along with the Berlin Cathedral.
This part of Berlin feels very fancy, very posh. It's quite a contrast to where we were earlier, especially at the Burgermeister, which felt a lot more grungier. Yeah. The tellings of West and East Berlins are very much evident today as well. Unfortunately, we've arrived a little late and the cathedral is closed for entry, but just outside the cathedral it's just like a nice vibe. There's like gardens and people just enjoying chilling, having their coffees, some snacks. It's a nice little area.
Aside from the Berlin Cathedral, Museum Island has tons of museums and galleries.
It's time for dinner and me and Holly can't decide between kebabs and bratwurst. Fortunately, we're in a place that has both, and the shop behind me has the best kebabs and the shop across the road has the best bratwurst, so I think we're going to try a bit of both. I am
that looks so
very
yummy.
excited for this. I got a chicken kebab with all the dressings except for tomato and some feta cheese. I've never had feta cheese on a kebab before.
We didn't realize this before, but there's a huge Turkish population in Berlin and Germany in general, and so Turkish street food like the kebab is a pretty popular food item here.
I can see why this place has got its reputation. That is a fantastic kebab. The cheese is on point, and
I like the feta in it.
I did forget to mention, but he squeezed a bit of lemon, which was really ties it together, and the vegetables are fresh and crunchy. That kebab was absolutely wonderful. I absolutely scoffed that down, as Holly put it. And now, speaking of Holly, it's her time to eat dinner. She wants some bratwurst.
Did I say that I want a cup of coffee? This is what I mean. We're going to Curry 61. So from what I've read, this is the best place to go for currywurst or bratwurst. Since when we were in Hamburg, we tried currywurst. We're not going to try it again in Berlin, even though Berlin is the place where you're supposed to eat the currywurst. I think I'm going to get bratwurst instead.
So bad. I just need a beer. I think I prefer the bratwurst over the currywurst.
Dinner was really good. I enjoyed the bratwurst.
She absolutely scoffed it down. She actually ate faster than me.
No, I don't think so. Thank you so much for joining us on our second day touring around Berlin. You know, checking out the Berlin Wall, eating some great food,
The karaoke.
taking in all the vibes of Berlin. It's been fun.
Thank you for watching this vlog. We have new videos coming out twice a week. Hit that subscribe button and get your one-way ticket with us.